felt it was the fairest thing to do is to do an Aurora Cannabis review. Now, I have mixed feelings about this company, and I want to go over this right now with you on Robinhood Gold. I have some disagreements with Morningstar, one of the people, one of the companies that does reviews. I don't agree with them completely, but let's go over it here. So they went up. Here's the date. You see all the dates. See May 15th was the last day it went up. 68%. $4.56 in a day. It's crazy. Crazy. But it's good. It's good. So let's take a look at them. This is my position. I'm very transparent about my positions, by the way. I will never lie to you guys about what I'm doing. I want to be transparent about this. So currently, I own 250 shares. My average cost is $16.48, but if it continues to rise like it does, I'll eventually get out of the losses area for this. For options, though, well, that's a different story. I protected my ass heavily. Now, if it continues to go up, let's say Aurora Cannabis continues to go up, I'm going to slowly sell my positions. That's my philosophy here. And in Robinhood, I'll have to admit, if they go up again tomorrow, or not tomorrow, but on Monday, I'm very tempted to just continue to partially sell. And since there's no commission fees, there's no problem. So I will partially sell my position as it goes up. As we look further down, sorry for the yawn. Shooting this one a little later at night. And I should probably get some sleep here soon. Clearly. Okay, those are my options. A lot of them were actually done before the reverse stock split, which is why they're so low. They're actually good contracts because these dollar ones are technically within strike range. Or just remember, these were all purchased before the reverse stock split. And I got these other ones, long-term ones. I'm holding these contracts, by the way. Chances are these contracts will expire worthless, but I just don't see myself holding these. Just don't see it. So let's see. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna go back down. Let's finish the profile here. We look at the statistics. My main concern is the fact that we really don't know their PE ratio at this point. It's very tough to determine how profitable they really are. Sorry, you guys. This is a rough episode. Their market cap has increased because people think they're more valuable. It could be. I don't know. I mean, look, their sales were all right, but we'll go over that here in a second. Recent news, let's see. Aurora Cannabis stock enjoys best and busiest day, even after pot sales grow. Currently doing a CEO search. Look, this company has had sketchy management, and the only thing that keeps them afloat, by the way, is the millennial investor. Now, I know, I'm preaching to the wrong crowd. I'm dissing the wrong crowd here. The millennial investors was keeping these guys afloat, which is why I'm slowly selling, because eventually, millennial investor will lose faith, or maybe they'll keep putting money in. I don't know. Either way, let's continue. So, analyst ratings, 19 of them. 16% say buy, 63% say hold, 21% say sell. I say they're overinflated. At this point, they inflated too much. I say if you have a high position and you bought in more as it went down, slowly sell as it goes up. Let's see here. Aurora is successfully cutting costs as it attempts to minimize its need for outside capital. Thank you so much for being so patient with me, everybody. This is where I disagree with Morningstar a little bit. Look, I really don't think management for Aurora Cannabis is really that great. I know they're trying to cut costs, but look, I think it's too little too late. Now, like I said, I'm holding my position overall. I slowly sell my position, though, as it goes up, and I slowly buy back as it goes down. Here's their earnings. This is the thing. I'm not surprised by the earnings, actually. Look, here's the thing. Earnings per share, it's not good. But here's the thing. In the call itself, in the earnings call, they did report incredible sales. But there have been other companies that have just been doing better. And I think Aurora Cannabis, over time, is something you're going to need to short. This has been overinflated, and it's popular because millennials love it. It's cheap. It's a cheap stock. One thing I love about Robinhood, by the way, is it tells you what people also bought. You get some insight. I mean, look at the recent news with Aurora. Really helped boost all these other companies. Kronos Group, Canopy Growth, Hexo, Afria, Tilray, New Age Beverages, Organigram, you name it. By the way, in advance, I want to say I'm very sorry for yawning so much this episode. I don't always do that. I'm probably going to go to bed here after I'm done with this episode, after I'm done uploading it to the YouTube. So, volatility, of course, is very high. Marijuana industry is very unstable. Laws change. Best thing you could do is just buy and sell accordingly. With great volatility, though, comes great opportunity, especially in growth markets. So, here's my history so far. I'm just going to show you some of it. And their current CEO is Michael Singer. Well, look, I can't. In all good faith, I really can't go with this company. Oh, by the way, I will say this, though. Robinhood Gold is one of the best things ever. This is one of the reasons why I called the show Robinhood Gold. Because Robinhood has been such a great tool for me. It really has, as far as a broker goes. I love it. But no, I want to thank you guys so much for taking the time to view this episode. I will do more. I'm basically just doing series of stock profiles for anything I find on Robinhood,